What's up everyone, this is Kenny here from Property Stories. So today is the first month of my real estate business. So I thought I just would like to give you an update on what I spent, how much I spent to restart the business last month, and what I currently am facing with, the current debts, and what is the future plan on how to actually reduce this debt, and also what is the future plan for the business. Alright, let's start. So first is how much to start up is agency fees. I paid 168. Agency fees 168. Yeah, this one is actually on top of the 2 days cost that you go for rent tag lah. Okay, so every agency they will have an agency joining fees. This is a one-time, one-off kind of thing. Usually it's very cheap less than 200 bucks you can get already. Okay, rent tag replacement 100 ringgit. Remember I already got my rent tag, so it's only just a replacement. And I've not shared with you which agency I'm with, right? Because I've already applied for rent tag, and so far they have not given me my name card yet, so I'm not yet update all my socials. Alright, but I will share it and update later lah. New folder and printing. So I spend money on this hard copy folder to print the sales kit, okay, for the property, and it's 40 ringgit. The biggest expense last month was a laptop. Laptop cost me 3449. I put it in a credit card to pay for 36 months. Is 96 per month for 36 months. So this is my biggest expenses because I find that I cannot work at home. I need to go to office to actually have the environment where people are working and calling together. Okay, but we'll get to that later. So I've always mentioned this YouTube channel, in this channel, that I'm also trying to get back on my feet again under the debt. Alright, so you all know I sold my house, but what you all don't know is that there are other debts like personal loan. My first month is a personal loan, and then I got a credit card that I took a balance transfer, so I need to pay, I think, for the next 12 months. And then this laptop you just heard is 3 years, but this is for work, so it's okay. And this is and also my savings have been depleted okay. So right now I'm talking to you. How am I talking to you? Is I had to borrow from my parents. Okay, I had to humble myself and actually borrow from my parents to actually survive. And also this house that you all are watching me record, right, this is 2,000 a month, 2,400 a month installment, and my personal loan 50,000. Alright, 50,000, so 1 month is 729. Okay, 729 a month, and then I got credit card is 380 a month, so it's about 1,000 plus there already. And then this house is 2004, so that's about it actually. 2004 plus 380, which is 2007. Alright, 22780 plus 730 729. I put 730, so it's about 3,500 plus a month on fixed expenses. This is a loan, and it is haven't included my insurance. Insurance, phone bill, those are fixed expenses. Insurance, phone bill. What else? Phone bill is 130 for 2 lines. Okay, and then insurance, I got my own insurance, and then I got my commitment, other commitments as well. So I think all in all I need about 4,000 plus fixed a month. Okay, so how do I mitigate this? The first one is very obvious, 2,400. I mentioned a lot of time in this channel, like I'm going to move out, so I'm looking for a house to rent actually, or house or a room because my main concern here is to be able to actually do all this again in my private space. I prefer a place where I have some space like a studio with, or 2-bedder or something like that. But I'm open to looking for rooms again if the hall is available, okay, and I know the housemate, because I find that the rooms, right, will save me even more money. 700 bucks for master room. In the old development, right, the master room is very big, so you save a lot of money, and I can rent out this place, okay. Because if I rent out this place, the installment can be covered by the rental. I just need to pay a little bit extra. So that is the biggest chunk of my expenses. If I take out 2,400 from that 4,000 plus, only left 2,000, which I can handle. Okay, so coming back to the business, what have I been doing for last month? Frankly speaking I was so excited to start, because I was given leads and all. But when they given the leads, right, I call I don't know why, I just got this. It's not that I don't like the call, it's just that I really got that kind of like, I don't feel like doing it okay. So I'll explain why in some other videos. But what I've been doing, right, if you notice on this YouTube channel, I've been trying to produce more videos. Every day produce videos, every single day. Okay? Not just this channel that you are watching. There is another channel that is I'm covering food and travel. I'm also producing consistently down there. Okay? So I find that instead of calling people or going to office and call people, I find that I prefer to do videos. I prefer to do contents regarding real estate. And let me tell you first, those who are new out there, creating content is a necessity, but you must be reaching out. The first thing that you need to do as a new agent is to reach out. Okay? Reach out here means you're actively reaching out, meaning you call the prospects or you text a prospect. That's what you do. But I find myself really just don't feel like doing it. I feel like every waking hours I need to do the video because I love doing it. I love doing videos. Even I'm recording now when you're talking to you all here is at 12 a.m. in the morning actually, and I still feel that I need to record this. Okay. I think when you're handling just one product, right? One product, and the product is also a bit far from your place. It takes you a lot of time to go there, and then you can get bored very easily as a new agent, right? Real estate agent, under construction agent, or any agent at all. You should try whatever that to make you stay afloat Or this is what I plan to do for this coming month. This month itself, I mean. This month I plan to add more projects since I'm staying in Wangsa Maju, right? I plan to add more projects that is affordable around Wangsa Maju, Setapa area. And I plan to move into more of the Bumi market and also remain the one in PJ, the one that project in PJ. Now I have actually 2 projects in PJ, okay? Just added the other one. But that one is more of an ad hoc basis. I plan to add more on the Wangsa Maju Setapa. I don't know when my rent tag will come, but I find that I need to do, I want to do sub-sales. I want to do sub-sales and rental. My friend was talking to me and asking me to do rental. I was so against doing rental, because of my bad experience handling rental here. Then I realized actually rental is the easiest, is the fastest to get cash, and I should put my ego down and just do it. Because when I was handling this place, I remember at time when COVID, I cannot move anywhere, I cannot go anywhere, I can only handle this place, and it was so tiring because I had to fight with so many people. Same thing now, but I can move, different, okay? So I can move, I can go outside, and furthermore, my objective, right, is to document as many properties as I can, just to take it on video and share with you all. See, do more property tours, do more content here, do more localized content. Like for example, Wangsa Maju got what, where to go to eat, where to go for shopping, to school, public transport, how you get around Wangsa Maju, okay? Setapa got what, this kind of contents, localized contents, I plan to put it here. And then I plan to also put more of customer testimonials out here also in this channel. So I'm planning to build this channel as a localized channel a bit. So I'll be handling buy, rent and sell in Wangsa Maju and Setapa. I hope I can get my rent tag as fast as possible, but if not, I will just continue doing for the projects in Wangsa Maju and Setapa, because I don't think I can actually just have that 2 projects and then survive. I need to have more, okay? and see which one sticks and then go for the appointment. It's okay. That's what I think I'm doing. Then the next one, right? I've actually got a little bit of my agent's friend who actually offer me the undervalued property. That means below market value property. So for cash out one, okay, for cash out one, we do purely for the loan. Since they know I know I have expertise in loan matters, they are offering me that, and I can partner with them. So whoever the businessman who needs a cash out property for loans, right? Yeah, I'm planning to go in that loan consulting side. Okay. So for this loan consulting side is how it works is that the property maybe 500,000, then we got it at 300,000, then we the loan is based on 500,000, so you can get cash out for yourself. If you are a businessman, this one is definitely appealing to you because most of the businessmen that I know, they use as working capital. The property I don't know where it's located because it's when get, then you disappear very fast one, usually this kind of property. But I will keep you posted. Next one is that I plan to also start a YouTube membership now here, so that I have if supporters can support, then support. Okay. There will be two tiers. One is the very affordable tier, to encourage myself, at least I know that what I'm doing here is valuable, and those who actually subscribe, you have priority reply to questions. I will usually turn the questions into a video like this. Next one is remember the meetup I mentioned? Meetup and also questions, right? Sometimes are very sensitive. I cannot answer on this video like this. For example, we talk about a project, and then we talk about developer, we talk about who behind it, and what are the juicy stories that might affect your decision if you know on this channel. So we can discuss in more details, in more transparency, more open, in meetups, all right, or in a private WhatsApp group. This one I plan to do for a higher tier membership. Then I plan to add them into a WhatsApp group. Then when meet up, I also meet up with this group. Okay, meet up with this group to we see what resources we can share and can do together. This group will also have the opportunity, like for example, today I'm going down to Johor. I will just put in a group. I say I'm going down to Johor, anybody free for coffee? You take me around, you show me the place to eat. I can take the video of the place, then we can hang out and talk about investments, property, everything in the scene. And if there is an opportunity and you're an agent, I would love to actually visit the property tour, do the property tour for you, and it's your lead. Whatever comes from that video is your lead. So I plan to do that. That is the community. I plan to have that community where we can actually talk more freely in things that cannot be discussed outside like this. So that's about it for the community. I'm actually really looking forward to the community. I don't expect a lot of people to be paying me also, honestly. If got one also, I very happy. Okay, so I think that's all for this month. That's what I'm trying to do this month. Get as many listings as I can, do rentals. Because I calculated, like, if 2,000 example, I do 5, I get 10,000. Then you split, after splitting with the agency, then I can get about 8,000. I happy deal. 8,000 okay deal to me. 8,000 is enough to cover my expenses already and also pay my loan. Only 5 rentals. I haven't counted sales yet. Okay, sales from the other properties or even under construction properties. I have not counted that yet. But rentals looks feasible at the moment. So that's it for month 1. Uneventful, no sales at all, and just starting out. And basically, I'm feeling my way around now. Okay. One thing that I've learned the biggest thing that I've learned from my first month is try to shorten your time between your idea and your action. What it means is don't procrastinate. Whatever you try, whatever that comes to your mind that you think you need to try, just try it. Don't think so much. Okay. I tell you don't think so much, but I'm the one thinking for 1 month instead of going towards it. Okay, so that is my biggest lesson. So for whoever wants to become an agent, I hope this video helps. Remember, my background and your background is different. I've already built this YouTube channel even before I was a agent for the 4th time. Okay, 4th time. So bear in mind we all have a different starting point, but I hope that by sharing this journey, I give you some ideas on what you can do for your own real estate agent journey. All right, if you choose to take that road. And remember, I've always mentioned you can fail as many times as you want. You still can come back. That is the beauty of working for yourself, and that's the beauty of this industry. Okay, bye bye.